This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katie Howlett. Adorable Cape Cod tucked away in Riverview. The owners kept both beauty and function in mind while modernizing their home. Updates include front and side porch renovations, a full kitchen remodel, 30-year asphalt shingle roof, and a Mitsubishi whole house heat pump mini split system. Enjoy water views and short proximity to Riverview Village Business District. Seller pays $750 annually in flood. For more information, review the details below.